I'm not your typical runner, but that doesn't matter. What matters is why I'm running. My name is Dr. Paul Hole, and I'm a cancer research scientist at Cardiff University. Most of us know someone who has been affected by cancer. I am one of a number of cancer research scientists working at University Hospital Wales. Here I study blood cancers, and together we are racing to better understand cancer and racing to find better cancer treatments. We are so grateful for the funding we receive. Thank you. But there is more work to be done. That's why this October I'm running for Team Cardiff in the Cardiff Half Marathon. By raising money for Team Cardiff, you can support future cancer researchers in our race to beat cancer. So please, whether you're running for the challenge, running for yourself, or running for a loved one, run with me this October in the Cardiff Half Marathon. Help us hit our target of £25,000 for cancer research and run for Team Cardiff.